The mean value theorem is a generalization of the Rolle's theorem. It tells us that all we need is f is continuous and differentiable. We will have our result such that f prime of c will equals f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. And this is the slope of the secant line. So let's take a look at what it means in a graph. So you draw a graph and you have a, b, interval. It doesn't matter what the f of a value and f of b value is, as long as you have a continuous and smooth function. Okay, what it tells us that if you have the secant line that pass the point a comma f of a and b comma f of b, there is a point c in the interval ab such that the tangent line will have the same slope. Okay, and they are parallel to each other. So this is what the mean value theorem tells us. So let's take a look at an illustration. Okay, so f of x equals x squared divided by x plus 4. We want to find the number c in the interval 4, 7 guaranteed by the mean value theorem. First of all, we take a look at this function. Its domain, because it's a rational function, the denominator cannot be 0. So its domain is negative infinity to negative 4 because x cannot be negative 4. Union negative 4 to infinity. So 4, 7 is in the domain. So the function is defined in that interval. And is also differentiable on that interval because we have a rational function. Okay, so we have condition 1 and condition 2. Therefore, the mean value theorem apply. So f is continuous and differentiable on 4, 7 because it's in the domain. So MVT stands for mean value theorem. Guarantee us there's a C such that this equation will hold. And we're looking for that C. So we have to compute. First, we compute what is f prime of x. So it is a rational function. We use a quotient rule. So it is 2x times x plus 4. So we're applying the quotient rule. Subtract x squared times derivative of the denominator is 1 divided by x plus 4 square. So we simplify to get, okay, so 2x squared, subtract x squared, we get x squared, plus 2x times 4, 8x, okay, divided by x plus 4 squared. That's a derivative. And we need to find out what is f of 7, subtract f of 4 divided by 7 minus 4. So what is f of 7? We just plug in the number. 7 squared divided by 7 plus 4 minus 4 squared divided by 4 plus 4 all over 3. So we know the denominator here is 11 and the denominator here is 8. So we multiply top and bottom by the common denominator. 11 times 8, so 88, right? So here we get 8 times 49 minus 11 times 16 divided by 3 times 11 times 8, which is 9 over 11. So now we need to solve a rational equation. So it tells us f prime of c, so c squared plus 8 times c divided by c plus 4 squared, just c squared plus 8c plus 16 equals 9 over 11. Now we cross multiply, we have 11c squared plus 88c will equal 9c squared plus 72c plus 16 times 9 is 144. So we move everything to the right side. So 11c squared subtract 9c squared is 2c squared. 88c subtract 72c is 16c. And then subtract 144 equal 0. Now we see this is a quadratic equation, so we can use a quadratic formula to find out the solution. C will equals minus 4 plus or minus 2 times square root of 22. So this we get it from using the quadratic formula. But you need to note one of the roots, negative 4, subtract 2 times square root of 22 is not in the interval 4, 7, but because it's positive. So the only solution, the C that is in that interval is negative 4 plus 2 over square root, plus 2 times square root of 22.